My name is Connor Lococo. I am the Business Development Rep at Illumination Architectural Products. Illumination is a division of architectural fabrication, and we are headquartered in Fort Worth, Texas. Our parent company, Architectural Fabrication, is a well-known Division 10 subcontractor who specializes in fabrication and install of sunshade products such as canopies, trellis walls, and louvered sunshade systems. Illumination Architectural Products specializes in the manufacturing and distribution of Division 7 metals such as cladding systems. Our EcoFlex Wall Panel system is extruded in 3-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch profiles. All of our extrusions come in 24-foot lengths, and we can cut them to specific dimensions to further accommodate your project requirements. All of our extrusions are made of 6000 series aluminum alloy, which is one of the most corrosion-resistant alloys available, and it is 100% recyclable. The tongue and groove method of fitting our plank system together simplifies the installation process, leading to savings in time and labor costs. Tongue and groove is a method of fitting similar objects together edge to edge. Each panel has a protruding tongue on one edge and a corresponding groove on the opposite edge. The tongue fits into the groove of the adjacent piece, creating a strong interlocking joint of connection. Our trim components are available as standard J-trim and corner trim. Both are a two-piece system including a male and female component. Because the male component is attached directly to the substrate and covered by the female component, it is not required that they always undergo a finishing process, which can contribute to further project cost savings. Applications on different wall types can require different needs to effectively use the plank. On stud walls with OSB or plywood, sheathing or waterproofing materials are needed. Then the plank can be fastened directly. But in cases where the plank is attached to CMU or tilt wall, a hat channel or Z-clip is required prior to plank attachment. Our patented plank end cap is a differentiating accessory piece available in the same widths as our wall panels: 3-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8 inches. It utilizes countersunk screws and screw holes to hide fasteners and provides for a natural-looking V-shape between plank lengths. This accessory piece is optional and complements designs chasing an intentional break between panel runs. Our two-piece EcoFlex Batten system is available in 2x2, 2x4, 2x6, and 2x8 inch profiles. They are complete as a two-part system, including a base and cover, which snap together for a tight fit that accommodates hidden fasteners. The 2x2, 2x4, and 2x6 profiles all utilize the same 2x2 inch base. However, the 2x8 profile requires a 2x4 inch base to account for greater wind load and structural constraints at an 8-inch projection. This exhibit demonstrates the assembly and attachment of our two-piece batten system. First, the batten base is fastened to substrate as required, typically every 6 to 8 feet. Then the batten cover snaps over the batten base, concealing all of the fasteners required to mount the base. And lastly, end caps are fastened to the conjoining profile at both ends of the batten. Our batten end caps are available for all 4 batten profiles and come finished to match. Because the visible fasteners are very small, they are difficult to sublimate in wood grain finishes. However, we've recently introduced a press end design that does not require fasteners at all. Both options are available to best accommodate your project requirements. This slide demonstrates a typical batten attachment directly to CMU. However, attachment scenarios can greatly differ. For example, some substrates may require a crush tube. In scenarios where the batten will not be flush mounted, custom mounting plates or brackets are utilized to accommodate applications like a screen wall.